Need to make a large folder smaller without deleting anything? 7-Zip can reduce the size of many files by putting them into a compressed archive. In this guide, I'll show you how to choose the right format, compression level, and settings to get a smaller archive while keeping your original files safe. So let's get started. First, open File Explorer and find the files or folder you want to reduce in size. Select them, right-click, open the 7-Zip menu, and choose Add to Archive. In the Add to Archive window, look for Archive Format. Choose 7-Zip if your main goal is a smaller archive. The 7-Zip format generally gives you more compression options than standard zip. Next, choose your compression level. For a good balance, normal is a practical starting point. If reducing the file size is more important than speed, you can try maximum or ultra. Just remember that higher compression can take considerably longer. Now check the compression method. LZMA2 is a common choice for 7-Zip archives and can provide strong compression. Keep the other settings at their defaults unless you know exactly what you want to change. If you're working with a large amount of data, you can also adjust the dictionary size. A larger dictionary can sometimes improve compression, but it also uses more memory. So, if your computer has limited RAM, keeping the default value is usually safer. For groups of similar files, solid compression can sometimes produce a smaller archive because 7-Zip can analyze data across multiple files. This works especially well when many files have similar content. Keep in mind that solid archives can be slower to update or extract individual files. Once everything looks good, click OK. 7-Zip will start creating the archive. Depending on the amount and type of data, this can take a few seconds or much longer. You'll see the progress in the compression window. When the process finishes, compare the new archive with the original folder. Right-click the archive and check its properties to see the final size. Yeah, this is a useful way to test different settings and find what works best for your files. One important thing, not every file will shrink significantly. Videos, JPEG images, MP4 files, and many existing archives are already compressed. Documents, raw data, and uncompressed files usually have more room to shrink. And that's how to reduce file size with 7-Zip. Choose 7-Zip format, increase compression when you have time, use the right method, and always compare the final result. I mean, a little testing can make a big difference in how small your archives become.